physics, you will find that your mind turns to liquid. Summertime, summertime, throw it all away. It's the perfect thing to do. Turn loose all of your screws and let your mind take over you. When you let it go, you will see the world take shape. And if you love the world, then it will become a friendly place. Liquefy, 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 do it now. Free your mind, free your mind, free your mind, like it needs to be somehow. See your thoughts in a puddle on the table. You can think when you're mentally unstable. Sifting through, filter out all the bullshit, adding in all the good things that you don't get. I'm alright, actually better than you'd ever think I'd be. Tomorrow's another day, but it won't catch up to me. Who I am today is made up of what I've done. So when I melt away, I'll be back to square one. Liquefy your mind. Liquefy your mind. Liquefy your mind. Liquefy your mind. Let your mind be leather.